Time now for your forewarned weather with Nate Larson.
All right, nice to see the sun out again across the state after some of the cloud cover that moved through yesterday. Our weak disturbance has passed through. Now we're seeing the blue sky at Black Desert Skycam and a gorgeous day at Black Desert Resort. Looks like there are some folks out on the greens, at least the tee boxes probably, enjoying some of the nice weather in southern Utah. Temperatures in the mid-70s, pretty comfortable. Up at the Alta Resort, we've got more of a spring-type feel up at our mountains with the temperatures that we're seeing as well. We're back to average highs across northern Utah after being cooler than normal following yesterday's storm. Still a bit of a northerly breeze. You see that with the Colonial Flag Shot. We're at 56 degrees. We've got a big warm-up, though, on the books, and that means, yeah, even up in our mountain areas, it's going to be quite toasty for folks that are heading up to hit the slope. So high pressure is taking over as we get into early this work week. It's going to bring a big boost in temperatures. So normally we're in the mid to upper 50s this time of year in northern Utah. Southern Utah around 70 for St. George. We should be about 15 to 20 degrees above normal highs by Tuesday, Wednesday. So record highs are possible ahead of some potential showers as we get towards the latter half of the week. So let's kind of show you where we're headed as far as these possible record high temperatures. For northern Utah, Salt Lake at least, we'll be in the mid 60s tomorrow, upper 60s Tuesday. Records are 78. Could tie the record on Wednesday. Strong southwest flow increasing ahead of the storm system heading into the weekend, and near record highs again on Thursday. So 2 days of near record high temperatures, at least potentially in Salt Lake City and southern Utah. Should already be 83 on Monday, 88, so a record high on Tuesday, potentially a record high on Wednesday, and near record warmth on Thursday. So boy, certainly going to be a toasty couple of days heading into midweek across the state until we see some of those changes take shape. Long range futurecast. Let's kind of show you some of the changes on the map. So high pressure as it continues to work its way east. Here comes the sun. That southwest flow Tuesday into Wednesday will help generate those well above average temperatures across the state. Here comes the trough as we get into Thursday. By late Thursday into early Friday, could start to see some mountain precipitation. It's really kind of a weak storm system. Models aren't really agreeing on the strength of this Thursday-Friday storm. Might not get much, if any, precipitation until maybe Saturday. But then the storm door should stay open and we'll see additional showers. It's looking like, at least for northern Utah, into early next week. So good news there. And that precipitation outlook showing that the extended March 29th to April 2nd outlook shows the probability of seeing above average precipitation as well. So we'll get a bit of warmth, that roller coaster ride, which is what we call spring in Utah. Temperatures are all over the place, those upper 80s, so record high potential Tuesday, Wednesday. We start to drop Thursday. We'll be back in the 70s, near average highs Friday, Saturday. Breezy winds and partly cloudy skies. And then for the Wasatch Front, sunshine, mid-60s for your Monday. Tuesday, 69. There's that upper 70s near record highs on Wednesday. We dropped to 77 Thursday, not much of a change. 56, though, Friday as the front moves in, bringing some isolated shower potential. A slight chance on Saturday. Mid-50s for highs, back in the low 60s. Breezy winds on Sunday.